Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is start by making the base. So I'm going to first add some whipping cream. This is 35%. And I'm just going to pour all this in. Oh yeah, so after 3 to 4 minutes, it should look something like this. So it should be fluffy. So the next thing I'm going to add is some condensed milk. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to add is some vanilla extract. Okay guys, so the first flavor I'm going to be making is some mango ice cream. So what I would be needing is some mango, obviously. So I'm going to put this in a blender. And what I'm going to do next is add a little bit of water, just a teensy bit. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start blending this up. So it has to be a little mango puree. Okay guys, so to make our mango ice cream, we're going to take our puree first. So I'm going to put it into our bowl. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the ice cream mixture that we made. And we're gonna give this a mix. Just fold it. Alright guys, so our mango ice cream is done. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in our container. This is what I have. This is just a normal container. You can put it in any other container if you like. I just like plastic. So I'm just gonna pour it all in. Okay guys, so the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some saran wrap on top of the container, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the lid on it as well. And there you go, one ice cream is done. Now let's start with the other flavor. Okay guys, so the next flavor we're going to be working on is some cookies and cream. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the ice cream base. So in my family we like cookies and cream a lot, so I'm going to double the batch over here. And what we're going to do next is we're going to add some cookie crumble. Okay, cookie crumbs. And we're going to just fold. And trust me guys, this flavor is amazing. I just love whenever we make this ice cream. Bruh, I always eat it. Super easy to make as well. I'm gonna add some more cookies. There is a few small chunks and a few big chunks, so keep that in mind. Do keep some small chunks and some big chunks when you're making this. Okay, so I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more Oreos on top, because why not? And last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some saran wrap again. And I am gonna put the lid on top. And that's our cookies and cream. Now let's work on the next flavor. Okay guys, so the next flavor we're gonna work on is there's gonna be a bunch of ingredients. Okay, so there's gonna be Nutella, cake, crumbs, Oreos, and some walnuts. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Nutella and I'm gonna put it all in. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, and I'm just gonna mix this a little bit so the ice cream mixture and the Nutella can be well combined. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to add is some Oreo cake crumbs, sorry. The next thing we're going to add is some walnuts. And last thing, more ingredient, is some Oreo crumbs. I'm going to mix all of this up. Whoa. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the ice cream mixture again. Okay guys, so I'm going to pour the mixture into the container. I'm just going to sprinkle it all in. And kind of put it in the mixture. Okay, now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in Saran wrap. And I'm going to put the lid on top. Yay. And that's our last flavor. Now what we're going to do is we're going to let the ice creams leave for the whole day. So do not take the ice creams out yet. Leave it for another day. And then you can just open it next day and eat it all. Okay guys, so this is how the ice cream look like. So this is really easy to make. It does only take 2 ingredients, I think, and the others are just like toppings and like stuff that you need to put. But it's really easy. It tastes great. It's creamy. I think you should guys give this recipe a try and comment down below if you guys like it. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!